This trial is man versus nature. It's fire versus water. It is celebrity versus the volcano.
Zach, it hasn't escaped our attention that the I'm a Celebrity audience are just a little bit sick in that in the camp we have a lifesaver and an Olympic swimmer, and to do this trial, they've chosen an Irish footballer.
Yeah, Irish footballers, famously good swimmers.
Zach, we are all very much behind you. Good luck.
Thanks, guys.
Step into the tank and we will let you know when your time starts.
Well, it is Zach Tuohy versus the volcano. A battle of the ages. The faster you flood that volcano, the more stars you'll take home to a very hungry camp.
Good luck, Zach. Your time starts now.
Under he goes. Straight in for the key. He's starting to pass it along the line and it's about to get tight here.
There is not a lot of wiggle room to make your way past those pipes. It's very slim to get through.
And there is no air for him here. He's got to try and make it to the next air hole. Okay, he's going to come up.
Coming back for his air.
Take a big breath and then go again. Those stars are constantly moving towards that volcano. There he is. Hey, Zach.
How you going?
How are you, love?
Yeah, nah, terrible.
No.
And he's back under. Okay, he's still passing along the line.
Oh, I forgot there was catfish in here.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Those are sharp-toothed catfish and they're checking you out. Back under. He's got to thread that key along all the way to the end, Julia.
Oh, no, there's a star heading towards the volcano.
Oh no! Oh, Julia.
Well, there goes his first star. So
That's
there
your
we are.
first star incinerated, Zach.
He still has 11 stars, of course. Oh,
Back
God.
under.
I mean,
And he's making his way through the pipes. He cannot afford to get stuck here.
oh dear, he is struggling here.
He's struggling for air. He's trying to find a hole.
Okay, go. I'm glad you found that hole. Are you all right?
Yep.
Is it difficult finding your way back to those holes?
Yep.
Yeah, I bet it is, love.
Star is getting dangerously close. Zach is locked in. He is absolutely locked in. You can tell he's out of his element. This is very different from being on the footy field. Got the key. Threading it around.
That star is in peril. There's another star burning.
I don't know if you can hear me in there, Zach, but you just lost a star.
You know what he heard?
Okay, he keeps trying desperately to work the key along that line. The star's coming in. Oh, that's 3 stars gone. Zach, you still have 9 stars. Hang in there. This is a lot harder than it looks. Back under. That was a good, solid breath hold. Next hole, well done, Zach.
Deep breaths here so that he can come back and work that key along the string.
This is an incredibly confronting trial. That time between taking the breath and making it to the next hole, I mean.
He is gasping for every single breath here.
Remember, every minute that goes past, this gets harder for Zach.
Those stars just keep burning off. No, there's another star gone.
That's a 4th star just been burned. It means there's only 8 left. Okay, he's under again. Oh no, Julia.
He's stuck.
He's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck.
He's stuck. Come back a little bit.
Does he know where the air hole is? Oh no, Zach. Oh no, Julia.
He's stuck.
He's stuck.
Stuck. Come back a little bit.
Does he know where the air hole is? Oh no, Zach. Ah, back to the hole.
Oh my gosh. He's holding his breath for 20 and 30-second increments here, which has got to be tough on his lungs.
Okay, so 4 stars have gone up in smoke, but he's got 8 left. Okay, he's under again. This is so little space for a big unit to make his way through. Okay, he's made it through, but he seems to have lost that key. If you can hear us, Zach, the key is back behind you. Yep, he's on it.
Yeah, he's going.
Okay, he's got to thread that key along all the way to the end if he wants to open that valve and flood the volcano.
Oh, no, there's another star gone.
That's 5 stars gone. He's got the key, a little bit tangled there. He's got to get it under the pipe. He's in trouble here. He's in trouble. Notice how the time between those breaths is getting shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. He's burning oxygen fast.
Oh my gosh.
This is going to be the hardest bit, to make it past this last pipe and to get to that valve. At the end, there's a regulator waiting for him. And if you're not used to scuba diving, that's going to be very confronting. Here he goes.
Here he goes. He's very close
Final
now.
stretch.
Okay, take
He's
a
got
breath.
the regulator.
Okay.
Oh, Star is getting dangerously close. He's gonna try and get this valve open. Can he flood the volcano in time?
What?
Hang in there, Zach. He's fumbling the lock. He's fumbling the lock. Oh, the star's coming in. That's another one burning.
Oh my
it's
God,
erupting.
it's erupting.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Hurry, Zach.
It's erupting in calamine lotion.
Come on, Zach. Come on, come on, come on.
Looks like he's got the padlock.
He's got it.
Has he got it off? Oh!
Yes. Flood it,
Oh.
flood it, flood it.
He's turning the wheel. Here we go. He's turning that lock. He's opening up. Here comes the water.
He's flooded the volcano.
Look at that smoke. All that water is definitely putting that fire out.
Hey, Zach, I know you can't see it, but you have extinguished an entire volcano by yourself, so well done.
It seems like he's disappointed with himself, but like he has done such an extraordinary job.
He's a sports person. He's a perfectionist. Rangers, can you please bring in a ladder?
Yeah. Oh my gosh,
Zach
love. Wow. Oh my God.
Holy dooly.
Yeah.
I mean, it was Zach Tui versus the volcano. Zach Tui won.
Well, only just. That was, yeah, that was not easy. That was tougher than I thought.
That was incredibly tough. You know you were triumphant, right? You understand that.
It didn't feel like a triumph, but we made it just about.
We can tell you right now, this has been tested so many times, and there were at least 2 people who called the words during the test.
Yeah, well, I did come close. After there was a few moments of panic. It's hard to get your bearings, and then
Yes.
easy to lose where the key is. And I have to say, genuinely, that was tougher than I thought.
I think you've done incredibly well, truly. We're so proud of you, and you have solidly earned 6 stars. Well done.
Thank you.
Spectacular effort.
Yeah.
Really good, mate, really good.
We're going to send you on back to camp.
Well done, Zach.
Well done, Zach. Bye, love. 6
See you
stars.
guys. Thank you.
I feel like he's
What a
disappointed.
dude.
Is that a sportsman's
Oh,
thing?
100%. I think it's hard when you are an elite athlete. Any kind of loss, you're going to beat yourself up. But that was an absolutely mammoth effort.
Do you know what? Let's count those catfish because he might have one in his pocket.
Oh